outside coffee is best, but in-house it is, chai is really good. So I kind of found my favorite brand, that is Society, that I always have. You know, I'm always this person who has Adrak chai, and this is always my go-to. So I want to tell you guys, this one is something that I have always repurchased again and again, and I'm so happy that I'm seeing the brand here.
Like it like that, you know that I like it like that.